Available right now at Autofocus Pero are these 5 bargain value used cars, like this 2014 Volkswagen Polo Hatch 1.2 TSI Highline that's retailing for 189,995 Rand. This 2011 Volkswagen Golf 6 GTI 2-liter TSI is selling for a mere 239,995 Rand. 289,995 Rand is the cost of this 2016 Volkswagen Polo GTI. For an SUV like this 2013 Toyota Fortuner 3-liter D4D raised body automatic, expect to pay 339,995 Rand, and 649,995 Rand buys you this 2018 Toyota Hilux 2.8 GD6 double cab 4x4 Raider automatic. At prices this good, these cars are sure to sell fast. So for immediate assistance, call us at Autofocus Pero on the number 021 200 0998.